Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I will show you how to delete duplicate photos in iPhone. Let's begin. So yes, we do encounter scenarios a lot of times wherein you have duplicate photos. Um, most or if not some, you could also go to App Store and you could look for apps for just simply look for phone cleaner or anything that has cleaner on it. I mean that's how I would look for apps that would help you clean up your duplicate photos on iPhone. You could also do that. But um for iPhone, there's a way for you to delete duplicate photos without having to install another app. And it's very simple. I'll show you how. So just go to photos if you tap on that and then go to your albums, okay? From albums, you go straight to utilities, okay? And then there is a choice there or option that says duplicates just below imports. If you tap on that, you would be able to see photos that are duplicates. And then, you could either, like, if you click on merge, actually, guys, if you merge to exact copies, this would actually delete the duplicate photo. But if you wish to, do multiple duplicates, so just hit on select, or you do select all. So if you could see that at the top portion of the screen. So if I do select all, at the bottom it says there's like the icon right of sharing, and then there's merge, and then total of 170 files, the trash bin, and three dots. So just click or tap on merge. And if you do this, you would see a message here that would basically tell you that if you want to merge 78 exact copies only, or if you want to merge everything, it's 170. Because there are photos, guys, that the system would identify it as duplicate, but what if it's not? So say if I would just want to just merge 78 copies, so it all deletes the duplicate photos from there. So see, it's so easy. If you like this video, hit on like button. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.